Life gets heavy sometimes. Hey there, welcome back to Krish Spoken English. Today's phrase, hold on. Two simple words, but they can carry you through the darkest days. This is not about grammar, this is about life, about what we do when we are tired, scared, or feel like giving up. The job interview you almost skipped. You prepared for days, practiced in the mirror, but the morning of the interview, your mind screamed, don't go, you will mess up. But you went. Maybe you didn't get the job, but you held on. You didn't quit. That's what courage looks like. You ever had a moment you almost quit, but didn't? Comment in the chat if that's you. The breakup you thought would break you. Someone walked away and it felt like the world collapsed. You couldn't eat, couldn't sleep, but one day turned into another. You held on. You didn't move on right away, but you didn't give up on yourself either. That's growth. That's healing. When English felt too hard, let's be real. Learning English, sometimes it feels like a mountain. You mess up a word, someone laughs, you freeze. But you didn't quit. You held on. You are here today, listening, learning. That's strength most people never see. Real life meaning of hold on. Hold on isn't about grabbing something, it's about not letting go. Even when everything around you tells you to. Hold on to your dreams, hold on to your self respect, hold on to your English journey because you're going further than you think. What are you holding on to? Let me ask you, what are you holding on to right now? A goal, a relationship, or maybe just hope? That's enough. That's more than enough. Tell me, what's one thing you are holding on to right now? You ever held on when everything told you to quit? What happened? Comment if English ever made you want to quit, but you didn't. When holding on is the victory. Some days, success isn't flashy, it's quiet, it's ugly, it is surviving. But those days, they build you. Every time you hold on, you get closer to fluency, to healing, to becoming who you were meant to be. Don't let go. You showed up today, and more than that, you held on. You stayed, you listened, you gave your English and your story another chance. This is Krish Spoken English, where being real means more than being perfect. Until next time, stay strong, stay present, and keep holding on. Thank you very much.